Hey there, young learners! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of multi-memo, a unique way to make multiplication tables not just easier but also fun. In the world of multi-memo, each multiplication fact is like a creative recipe. The first number plays the role of our main character, while the second number represents a unique style that adds flavor to our mix. When these two elements come together, they create a unique combination, turning a simple math problem into a lively and imaginative experience. To help you better understand how it works, let me share 4 examples of these creative combinations. Picture the number 2 as a snake, and the number 3 as the skeleton style. When these two elements combine, you get a snake skeleton. This creative association brings 2 times 3 to life. And all you need to remember is this final image.
Hi Adam.
Hi Flora.
Is it really easier to remember this image than normal numbers?
Good question, Flora. Yes, it's easier, because it has a special shape, color and other properties that make it easy to remember. Did you know that memory champions use image memorization? This technique allows them to remember hundreds of numbers consecutively. That's amazing.
Okay, I think I understand.
Now, envision the number 2 as a snake again. But this time paired with the style Harry. Harry is associated with the number 7. The result? Hairy snakes with funny hairstyles. An easily memorable image for 2 times 7 equal 14. For the third example, let's change the main character. Number 9 is represented by ghosts, and the style balloon is linked to the number 12. Combine them, you get ghost-shaped balloons. You will remember now that 9 times 12 is equal to 108.
Yes, I will try to remember that the first ghost kind of say hello with his arm. The second open his mouth very large. The third is like a snowman with a body in 2 parts.
Yes, great. It's a good idea to make some associations like that to memorize the results. Lastly, picture the number 12 as dinosaurs. And then imagine the second number 12 with a balloon style again. What do you think the image will be?
I think the image will be dinosaur balloons, won't it?
Alright, the result is made with 3 dinosaur balloons. It's another image that you'll easily keep in mind to remember that 12 times 12 equal 144.
I will remember that the second and the third dinosaurs are flipped over.
Good association again. Can you now remember the results of 2 times 3?
Yes, the skeleton snake is shaped like a 6.
And can you remember the results or 9 times 12?
I remember that the first ghost say hello with his arm. The second open his mouth very large. And I remember that the third is like a snowman. It's 108.
Yes, good job Flora, you are on the good way. But remember that memorization takes time and effort. You will need a bit of time at the beginning to remember all the styles and characters. Now that you understand how multi-memo works, you're ready to memorize your first table, the table of the snake. For learning with multi-memo, you can use our printable free flashcards. You can also use our double-sided cards. Additionally, there is a mobile app available for phones, as well as for tablets. You will find all the information about it in the description below this video. Wishing you all the best for learning multiplication tables with multi-memo.